a swarm call. We're going to go and see if we can wrangle this swarm down into a nuke and take it home, give it a new place to go. So stick along for the ride. It's just a little old guy, but we will get them put in a box really quick. Shouldn't take a few seconds. Get them out of there into a new home. But it's all the way up into the top there. I can see it. It's about a 3 or 4 pound colony. So they'll likely start moving down on there here in just a minute. And then if I can get some of them in the box, I can get most of them in here. So
they all fit in one box?
They'll all fit in here, yeah. YouTube, do you? We got a YouTube channel. We try to teach people about all this stuff.
Last time I seen a swarm, I was probably, gosh, that's probably been 8 years ago. I was in the chemical plant down in the Institute. There's a swarm inside the plant. I was in a work truck and drive by and you just saw this haze.
Yeah.
And they just took off.
I get calls a lot at the plant. Is that where I work at Toyota?
Yeah.
And I have to go out and catch them around the plant. All right, a very successful grab and catch, and they're in the car with me, and the extras are flying out the window, so we're going to take them home and put them in the teaching yard. That way we can maybe get them a good home to start laying in. So here we go. Let's go back home. We're in Charleston now at Green Speed and Seed, actually. And so now we're going to go home to Nitro and put them there. All right, so this is what happens when you're coming down the road and you automatically see, oh, I forgot and left, I got the box with the hole in it. And so I've got all these bees flying around in the car with me while I'm driving down I-64. And as you can see, they are just having a good old time right here, traveling down the road, all that. So we got them here to their new home. We'll see if they like it. We had a bunch of them out in the car, or I did, as I come down I-64 there, and I realized that this box has a slight hole in it right there, and they were coming out all over the place, but that's okay. They didn't sting me and they didn't know any better. So hopefully Mama will like what she's got here and fit right in with the rest of them. So that's our hope anyway. Well, come back and enjoy another adventure with us here on Hillbilly Hippie Honeybees sometime soon. God bless.